red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, white color, and black color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now J. The alphabets of J, and U is blue color. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. The alphabets of R, and U is yellow color. Yellow color. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And U is green color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and white color. It's neither numbers. And first you draw 1 and U is blue color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Okay, it's neither 11. The numbers of 11 and U is yellow color. Yellow color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. It's neither 19. The numbers of 19 and hue is blue color, red color. This is 19 and hue is red color. This is 20. This is 21. This is 22. This is 23. This is 24. This is 25. Okay, it's neither 26. The numbers of 26 and hue is green color. Green color. This is 26. This is 27. This is 28. This is 29. This is 30. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, and first we draw A and use red color. This is A for apple. This is B for ball. This is C for cat. This is D for dog. This is E for elephant. This is F for fish. This is G for God. Kids neither H. The alphabets of H and hue is blue color. This is H for helicopter. This is I for ice cream. This is J for joker. This is K for kite. This is L for lion. This is M for moon. This is N for nose. Kids neither O. The alphabets of O and hue is yellow color. This is O for octopus. This is P for parrot. This is Q for queen. This is R for rose. This is S for sun. This is T for teacher. This is U for umbrella. Kids write V. The alphabets of V and U is black color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for telephone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.